everyone, thank you for joining our Wagemaster Tutorials. Today we're going through how to process lump sum payments in your Wagemaster file. Okay, let's jump right in. So I already opened my Wagemaster program, as you can see. Now make sure you're looking at the correct pay period ending date. Then you click on wages. Graham is my full-time employee, so I will enter his usual timesheet hours for this pay period. Click on next. When you're in the adjustment screen, this is where you're gonna add the lump sum payment. So you go select on lump sum and click on add, and it will open up the lump sum payment wizard. So go on to next. Now it's the description. There are a few already pre-filled options available in the description. Most likely it can be the back pay or bonus payment. I would say bonus payment. And the category. Now with the category, with the STP2 option, this is a little bit, it can be different. Most likely either lump sum A. So if not, you can leave it as blank. Now this is the amount, so I would say $1,500. And also if you want to add this into employee super contribution, you can. Again, this is can be defined in the employee contract whether any additional payment part of their superannuation or not. So depending on the situation, in my case, I'm not going to add this in. Now this is the lump sum payment tax calculation. Either you can go with the standard tax rate, so where would be employee paying higher tax. So now because it's a bonus payment, let's say for a last quarter or for the last month, what you can do, if you can select let's say from 1st of January to May pay period, so I can leave this for May. So what this program will calculate the average tax within the last 10 pay periods and apply into that tax rate into this $1,500. So earnings plus the tax during. Now the prepaid tax divided by, it's only $140, and also the this is with the extra tax and the normal tax what you pay for the it's the usual earnings. If you go into next, this will give you the breakdown as well. If I click on next again, it will be saved. Now it's a salary plus the salary sacrifice for superannuation and the bonus payments on lump sum payment and the taxable gross and the tax. So sometimes this tax can be, it's like if you want to edit this tax rates, see this is the normal tax and the lump sum payment is 0 because I've only put 1,500 and for the last 10 pay periods, so it will be under tax bracket. But if you want to edit this tax, you can always click on delete option from here as well. But again, before you do this, make sure you consult, either double check with us or from your account or bookkeeper. Alrighty, so that's how you save the lump sum payment and how you process it. Okay, thank you everyone for watching this quick video. If you need more information, please have a look at our help center articles or book one-on-one consultancy and training session with our team. All are linked in the description box. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel and give this video a like if you're enjoying it. Have a great day. Thank you.